Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, January 25th. We are looking at Window Traders Market Profile, SPY, IWM, and Triple Qs. First and foremost, we have an inside day for all three of these indices. So that should set up for a very, very nice, hopefully set up for tomorrow when we come out of it. More short covering today. The shorts and the Momo buying in M got really hurt. Whoever went home long last night as we opened below the base of the price spike and attempted to go lower. We went 8 for 8 wide, all of us, and the only one that ends 9 wide is Triple Qs, and that's late in M's time frame. Now Qs are selling off pretty good. I know Microsoft earnings were coming out after the bell, so I'm not sure if that's what just transpired. As you can see, they're trading lower. We do have the Fed tomorrow. We ended up with overlapping to higher value, as did Russell. Qs ended up with unchanged value. Had a good day today. We called the market very well. Again, didn't think we were going to go get yesterday's high. Everybody again anticipating a blow off top just like yesterday. I wasn't feeling it. What didn't happen is as important as what did happen. We had a chance to have 3 sets of single prints to the upside. We held none, and that goes for all of us. So I took a long in A period when we pushed back to yesterday's half back with the 428 calls, which worked out nice. And then in B period, I took a short, not when we took out the low. I wasn't looking for a short there. In fact, I was looking for a long at K's low, the afternoon pullback. We never got there. And by the way, today's low in SPY is 427.15. There's a tremendously bad low today, down at 360 something and change. I changed the daily. I won't change the weekly to the end of the week on the chart, or the monthly to the end of the month. You would hope that they would change that, but so far it's not being changed. So I took a short in B when we rallied up against the opening, which worked out to 434 puts. Didn't do anything in C or D. E period, I took a long. Against value low at the time, 436 calls. We were in this huge rotational $3 rotations for a good part of the morning into the early afternoon. Didn't do much with them. I should have. I did take a short in I period. There was no tempo above A. It came in enough where I got paid. Same thing in K. I took a short when I didn't think singles were going to hold, and they didn't. And then in M period, we took out L's low. I took a short. It ran back up on me right away, added to it, and started taking them off as it came down. Didn't hold them all the way down. I thought we had a chance to get to POC, believe it or not. I really did. I thought once the single prints fell and we got inside of A's range, we can get to our point of control, which was G's high. Remember, that bad print screwed everything up. I'm going to use today's A's high and yesterday's base of the price probe, L's high, as my line in the sand. And by that I mean this. If we open and get above it and start getting acceptance above it, I think we should stop the one-time framing down the daily finally and come into balance. We're one-time framing down 8 days. This market is still pretty short, so I'm wondering if maybe some more shorts are going to want to take some profits. Remember, they've been short since 470. So even if they buy it at yesterday's high, the innovators and the early adapters are still in the money by $30. So before the Fed, maybe they want to come back into balance and take off their shorts. So if we stay above A's high, I think we'll see that. If we don't stay above A's high, then I think we have an inside day again prior to the Fed speaking, possibly, and we trade in this mess. That's kind of how I'm looking at it. Going to tomorrow. Destinations are far and wide apart. Upside, 439.72 today's high, 440.38 daily high, 448.06 daily high. For the downside, 427.15 today's low, 426.03 afternoon pullback low from yesterday, and 420.76 yesterday's low. So with the Fed announcement and that press conference, if we had a $20 range yesterday, $12 range today. We have volume of 155 million already. Expect incredible moves again. And right now, as you can see, triple Qs are getting nailed pretty good. almost $10 off their highs already. So I'm assuming it's Microsoft, but I haven't looked. Now, let's go to the chart real quick. Just going to show you the daily. So I fixed the daily from that bad low. Inside day. You go with the inside day when you come out of it, either to the upside or the downside, right? Long to the upside, short to the downside. Here's the problem. If you come out of the inside day prior to the Fed, who knows if it's going to hold come 2 and then 2:30. So if we have an inside day and it stays like that, then it'll be interesting once we come out of it. And we might not really get our directional move until tomorrow. Thursday. Once the market digests what the Fed has to say, you have Tesla earnings tomorrow night, and then you have Apple's earnings Thursday night. So all things to keep in mind. Hope you had a good day trading. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.